Kondisyon kasi, one of the best three-point shooters at three-point king na yan. Sumali pa sa slam dunk contest yan. Arthur Garcia, isa pang mahusay mga tres yan. That's brought to us by Oppo F1S, selfie expert. Ang konting harassment pa sa backcourt. Stop and pop three, back to back. He's feeling it. Brought to us by Oppo F1S, selfie expert.
Mardo's inside. So if you're Junmar, baka iniisip mo pa yung dalawang tres ni Ponferrada. Kaya nagko-close out siya ng malayo.
Right now, ginagawa ng San Miguel at Reyna siya. Palitan na ng basket. Finds its way to RR. Yan pa! Isa pa yan! Pangatlong tres na. RR.
Nararamdaman niya kailangan na talaga siya. It's a transition of identity and a way to stamp on your identity is by playing aggressive. Sabi ni Coach Charlie.
Aggressive the way RR Garcia drove to the hoop para sa layup na yun. Pero
Ang sabi ni Coach, 12 minutes till the semifinals. Let's get it done. Charlie?
yun na nga, kailangan tuloy-tuloy yung aggressiveness. But let's see if they can do it. Ayun na, press mula kay RR with defensive pressure right in his face. That's
Of course, if you're rain or shine, you cannot trade baskets dahil malaki pa yung iyong hinahabol. Stops really must be their priority.
RR! That's the three. What was by Oppo F1S, selfie expert. Back in.
14 on the shot clock.
Hand off to RR. RR the drive. Kariwa ginamit Mintis. Paul Hanlisi. They watch some frustration. Binigay yung ball against the basket support.
Third personal.
RR, but how does he get open, coach?
This one is a very good flip wherein you will see, we'll pause this a little bit, you will see the number of points of attack by San Miguel this time around. Not the focal point on offense, but the screener. Junmar Fajardo, because of his width and his height and his timing and his angle, can free up his teammate RR Garcia for a wide open three. Just take a look at that. No one to challenge that shot. Wide open three. RR